Gemini Notebook OS could replace your entire AI setup. What if one free Google tool could quietly replace your whole AI setup? Not 5 apps, not a different tool for every little job, just one place that researches, writes, and builds everything for you. Most people have no idea it can even do this, and the ones who do aren't plugging it in where it actually belongs. Let me show you what I mean. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people learn and actually use AI tools in their real work, not just play with them, use them. And today I want to show you how I run Notebook LM inside my Agent OS. If you've never heard of Agent OS, it's the one dashboard where I keep all my AI tools, my models, and my memory in a single place, so nothing lives in scattered tabs anymore. Notebook LM is one of the strongest pieces in it right now. By the end of this, you'll see how I feed it a pile of messy sources and walk away with a full research report, a podcast, a video, infographics, and a slide deck, all from one tool. Stick around because there's one setting most people skip that changes everything. So first, what actually is this thing? Notebook LM is Google's research tool. You give it your sources, it reads them, then it answers your questions with citations so you can trust what it tells you. And Google just gave it a huge upgrade. Here's what changed. The chat got way smarter. It runs on a newer Gemini model with better reasoning now, and it shows you its thinking as it works. It also comes with over 100 built-in software skills, so it can go deeper on research and handle more complex analysis than before. Every notebook now gets its own secure computer that can write and run code. That means it can visualize data, read PDFs, images, and spreadsheets, and turn all of that into charts and clean outputs. And this is the part I love. There's now a research companion built in. Before, you had to bring your own sources and know exactly what you were looking for. Now you can just start a chat with a loose idea or a question, and Notebook LM goes and finds the sources for you. You stay in control of what gets added. It just does the digging. So it went from a quiet note tool to a full research agent, and it's free. Now here's the problem. If you go straight into Notebook LM on its own, it gets messy fast. You end up with notebooks scattered everywhere. You can't tell which ones have a video made, which have a podcast, or where anything lives. There's no clean library of everything you've built. That's exactly why I run it inside my Agent OS. Instead, in my Agent OS, I've got one dashboard. I can see my whole library of notebooks at a glance. I've got a chat where I can talk to any notebook directly, and I've got a studio where I generate anything I want from a notebook in one click. And because it's all inside my Agent OS, it plugs into my memory layer and my other agents too. Everything connects. Nothing gets lost. I call this my instant research engine, and it's the fastest way I've found to turn a pile of links into finished work. Now, if you're watching this thinking, this sounds great, but it looks technical to set up, I've got you. This whole Notebook LM setup lives inside my Agent OS, and the full Agent OS is inside my community, the AI Profit Boardroom. You get the complete Agent OS zip file ready to install with Notebook LM already wired in as your research engine. You get the full walkthrough that shows you exactly how I connect it and use it. You get a 30-day roadmap, so you're not staring at a blank screen, wondering where to start. And you get 4 weekly coaching calls where you can bring your own setup and ask me questions live. So if this exact system is what you want, that's where I'd go. Okay, let me break down how the whole thing actually flows so you can picture it. Step 1, you feed it your sources. This can be links, PDFs, documents, notes, whatever you've got. Step 2, it reads everything and connects it. Step 3, you pick your output. And step 4, you walk away and come back to finished work. Let me walk through each format because this is where it gets fun. First, the research report. You point it at your sources and it writes a full organized report. I'm talking a proper multi-page PDF with sections, charts, and diagrams all pulled from what you gave it. Every claim is grounded in a real source, so it's not making up numbers. Second, the audio overview. This turns your sources into a podcast. 2 voices talking through your topic like a real show, great for learning on the go or turning dry research into something people actually want to listen to. Third, the video. It builds a narrated video overview from your sources with visuals and voiceover. And the visuals look good because Google's own image model, Nano Banana Pro, is doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Fourth, infographics. 1 click and it distills your key insights into a clean, shareable graphic. These look genuinely professional, not like AI slop, and every number in them is grounded in your sources. Fifth, slide decks. It builds a full presentation from your sources that you can share as a PDF. And on top of all that, you've got mind maps, flashcards, and study guides for when you're trying to actually learn something. And here's the key thing. Every single one of these pulls straight from the same sources. So the report, the podcast, the infographic, they're all saying the same grounded thing, just in a different shape. You do the research once and it fans out into everything. That's what makes this so powerful. Now, here's how this looks in my real work. I use this to build out a full content series designed to bring more people into the AI Profit Boardroom. I fed it a stack of topics that AI Profit Boardroom members were already asking about, let it pull the research together, and had it draft a full report I could turn into videos, posts, and scripts. That kind of grounded, source-backed content is exactly what pulls the right people toward the AI Profit Boardroom. I also used it to map out the way new AI Profit Boardroom members get onboarded on day one. I dropped in my welcome docs and my process notes and had it spin up an audio overview and a study guide that walk a new member through their first steps. So someone joining the AI Profit Boardroom lands inside and instantly knows what to do next instead of feeling lost. And here's something a lot of people miss. These generations run in the background. So while Notebook LM is building a podcast and an infographic for me, I can go do something else entirely inside my agent OS. I can jump into another agent, start another build, keep working. The agents run in parallel. I'm not sitting there watching a loading bar. And here's a piece people always ask about. Where do all these files actually end up? For me, they land in my memory vault inside my agent OS. Every report, every podcast, every infographic gets saved into one place in plain files I own. And because it's a shared memory layer, my other agents can read it too. So one agent can grab a notebook, infographic, and hand it to another agent to repurpose or post. That's the part that makes this feel less like a single tool and more like a team. Everything one agent makes, the rest can use. Now, remember that one setting I promised you at the start? Here it is. Inside the research section, you can switch between fast and deep. Most people leave it on fast and never touch it. Fast is fine for a quick scan, but deep is where the research agent really goes to work. It digs through way more, finds the recent stuff, and gives you those cited sources you can actually rely on. If you're doing anything serious, flip it to deep. That one switch is the difference between a surface answer and a real research report. The other thing people get wrong is skipping the sources and just chatting with it like a normal AI. Don't. The whole point is that it answers from your sources with citations. That's what makes it trustworthy. Feed it good sources and it becomes a research partner. Skip that step and it's just another chatbot. Here's how I'd use this next. I'd take our best research on a topic and have it spin out a set of infographics and a slide deck built to promote the AI Profit Boardroom. One set of sources, and I'd walk away with visuals for social, a deck for a training, and a report all at once. That means more of the right people finding their way into the AI Profit Boardroom from one afternoon of work. So let me bring it all together. The old way was brutal. Research a topic from scratch, write the script, record it, design the graphic in one tool, build the deck in another. Every format was its own separate project, and your old work got scattered everywhere and lost. The new way, with Notebook LM inside my Agent OS, is simple. Research once, generate 5 formats, save it all in one library, rinse and repeat once a week. One good research session can feed your whole content pipeline for a month. The bottleneck was never ideas, it was production. And production is basically solved now. And the best part is it's free to run. The tool is free. You can build the whole thing out yourself if you want to. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 85,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And if you're ready to actually build this, here's what I'd do next. You're going to want to try Notebook LM for yourself. And the moment you do, you'll hit the same questions I did. How do I keep it organized? How do I connect it to my memory? How do I stop it turning into a mess of scattered notebooks? That's the whole reason the Agent OS exists. And it's all inside the AI Profit Boardroom. You get the full Agent OS zip file ready to install with Notebook LM already set up as your research engine. You get the step-by-step walkthroughs, the tutorials, the 30-day roadmap, and the exact prompts I use. Plus, live coaching calls to get you unstuck fast and over 4,000 members building right alongside you. Come join us at AIProfitBoardroom.com